It's djcaseuk. In this video I'm going to explain about the ACID window docking area. If you enjoy making music and videos or interested in making music and videos, hit like, share, comment and subscribe. My channel is all about making music and videos using Sony Creative software. With that being said, let's get into this video about the ACID window docking area in ACID Pro. The ACID window is the main display window that you work from in ACID Pro. This is the ACID window or digital audio workstation. The ACID window is divided into four main areas. At the top you've got the toolbar and the menus, linked to my Patreon account. On the left you've got the track list. On the right you've got the timeline, and then the window docking area at the bottom, which I'll explain in this video. The window docking area is where you'll find ACID Pro's most essential features: clip properties, groove pool, plugin manager, audio plugin, soft synth properties, surround panel, track properties, media manager, video preview, chopper, explorer, mixing console. I'll make a video for each of these individually so you get more detailed information about these tools. I want to keep this video about the window docking area. You can customize the window docking area if you hold down the left mouse button on these dots in the corner. You can pull these windows out and move them about wherever you want, and then release the left mouse button. You can also get windows and join them together, or you can connect them back to the window docking area like this. You can also make something full screen in the dock by left clicking on the arrow, on this little arrow, which is useful when you're working on the mixer or VST instruments and you need to have everything all on one screen. If you left click the cross, it will close the window and you'll need to go to the view menu at the top to turn them back on again if you've closed them off. So if you turn track properties off, you'll need to go back into the view menu and turn the track properties back on, or use the shortcut keys. Also, when you're moving ACID windows about, it's essential to mention that ACID windows only connect and create tabs when placed in the top left corner. So if you want to link these together, you hold the left mouse button down, click the dots and then release the mouse. Here you can see many possible ways to connect them. It's up to you how you have it. You can put them wherever you want as long as you click them in the right place and move them to the right place. So you can see these are divided, or if you want to get them to overlap and create tabs, drag it to the top left corner. And this is something you need to be aware of as well. You see here, look, it doesn't let you put multiple windows back in that window docking area at once. You have to take these out one by one to get them back into the dock. You can also adjust the size of each area in the ACID Pro by holding down the left click on the lines that separate the areas. You can drag them forward, down or left or right depending on what you're working on. It's entirely up to you. So if you're working on a synth instrument, you can move it up, or if you're working on need the mixer or something, or you want more space on the timeline. Also, you can create more than one window dock as well. So I could have a window dock for the mixing console and another one for Explorer, and then I could have another one for the chopper. And then if I wanted to, I could connect the chopper and the audio together, and then I could put the groove pool and create a tab with this one, and I want to put maybe this one in that tab, and then you can literally just throw these about however you want to do it. If you've got multiple screens on the computer, you can just drag them onto the other screens as well, and then it gives you a lot more control over how it works. the window docking area. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Hit like, share, comment and subscribe, and see you on the next video.